This incredible moment marks the beginning of a new life. But what if I told you that this discovery wouldn't have been possible without a game changing invention? The microscope didn't just reveal the unseen, but also transform medicine, helping us understand diseases, discover bacteria and viruses, and even transform life saving treatments. Today, let's explore the fascinating story of how this tool unlocked the secrets of the cell. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to take you on another fascinating journey into the world of biology. Today's lesson is about the remarkable history and discovery of cells, a groundbreaking story that changed how we understand life itself. If you are new here, consider subscribing and joining our growing community of biology and tech enthusiasts. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss an exciting lesson. Before we dive into today's topic, remember that in our previous lesson, we explored the fundamental unit of life. If you haven't watched that video yet, check it out first as it lays down the foundation for today's discussion. Let's begin with the tool that made all these discoveries possible, the microscope. This incredible device allows us to magnify tiny objects and reveal details invisible to the naked eye. Back in the 17th century, the microscope was a brand new invention. One of the first scientists to use it was Robert Hooke, a British scientist. In 1665, Hooke placed a thin slice of cork under his microscope and observed tiny box-like compartments similar to a honeycomb. This reminded him of cells in a monastery, so he called them cells. However, his microscope had limited magnification. He believed they were non-living structures. Hooke published his findings in a book called Micrographia, which became a scientific sensation. Just a few years later, another scientist took microscopy to the next level. In 1674, Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist with a talent for crafting lenses, built a powerful microscope. Unlike Hooke's device, his microscope could magnify objects 200 to 300 times. One day, he placed a drop of pond water under his microscope and was astonished to see tiny moving organisms. He called them animalcules, which we now know as bacteria and protozoa. His discoveries earned him the title Father of Microbiology. As scientists continued exploring the microscopic world, they noticed a pattern. All living things were made up of this tiny unit called cells. This realization sparked a series of discoveries that ultimately led to the development of the cell theory. In 1838, a German botanist, Matthias Schleiden, proposed that all plants are made up of cells. In 1839, Theodor Schwann proposed that all animals are made up of cells. In 1855, Rudolf Virchow formulated a fundamental principle, omnicellular acellular, which means all cells come from pre-existing cells. Together, their contributions form the foundation of what we now call the cell theory, one of the most important principles in biology. The three tenets of the cell theory. It states that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. All cells come from pre-existing cells. We explored the fascinating history of cell discovery, from Robert Hooke's groundbreaking observation of cork cells in 1665 to the contributions of Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, Matthias Schleiden, Theodor Schwann, and Rudolf Virchow. We also discussed how the microscope played a crucial role in uncovering the hidden world of cells and transforming our understanding of life itself. Quiz time. Let's test your knowledge. Drop your answers in the comments below. For further exploration and practice, thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. I hope today's lesson has inspired you to appreciate the microscopic world even more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging biology lessons. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop your answers to the assignment and quiz in the comment section. I'll be checking them out. Stay curious, keep exploring, and see you in the next lesson.